Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to run Python file in Windows Task Scheduler. Essentially what Windows Task Scheduler is, it allows you to set a specific time and you can run any program you want at that time. So this is my Python file. It's using web scraping to extract data from a website called IMDb. And it's extracting movie data and storing it in the data frame and exporting the data into a CSV file in my computer. So now I will open Task Scheduler. So type in Task Scheduler in the search button. This is the Task Scheduler. When you see this icon, click on it. We will create another folder. You don't really have to create a folder, but I will just create a folder. You can just select this, click on create task, name your task. You can name anything you want, it doesn't really matter as long as you know which one is the name. Because once you have a lot of program running, it's really hard to identify. So we'll click on triggers, click on new. So the triggers basically allows you to set up the time. So as you can see, one time, daily, weekly, monthly. You can select however you want to run the program, and you can also repeat the task. For example, you can have the program run every 10 minutes or every 1 hour or every 30 minutes, however you want to. So we'll just click on daily. We'll have the program run at 12:52:50 seconds, let's say. Click on OK. Click on action. Here you have to enter your Python executor location, and the way you'll find it is by clicking on the search icon, type in terminal, click on command prompt. It opened this window at my second monitor, so I'll just type in where Python. So you have to copy this location, then you have to paste it in here. Then you need the location of your Python file. This is my Python file. I'll click on it. I'll click Shift, right click, click on copy as path, paste it in, and you need the location of the folder as well. Copy. Let's say copy the folder, copy and paste it in. Click on OK, click on OK. So I set up the program to run at 12:52:50 seconds. So at 12:52:50 seconds, we should see an Excel file being created in this folder. So right now we'll just wait for the program to run in the background, and it will automatically run the Python file and create the Excel file. So let's just wait now. So as you can see, a Excel file was just created at 12:53. I'll click on it. So this is the Excel file. As you can see, we have information of different movies with the year, rating, Metascore, duration, votes, gross revenue, genre, etc. So this was the first way to set up a Windows Task Scheduler and run a Python file. Now I will show another way. So let's just delete the CSV file. So type in text, and you can select any text editor you want. I will choose Notepad. Type in ECHO space OFF echo off. Press enter. You need the location of your Python executor. Click on select terminal. Type in where Python again. Copy paste the location. You also need the location of your Python file. So click on the Python file. click on Shift, right click, you can copy as path, paste it in, then you have to type pause, and we will save this Python file in our folder where we'll save the batch file. Actually, this file is called batch file. So batch file is usually used for running script, and it's much easier to run script with the batch file instead of running the actual file. So I'll just name my file b_myfile.bat. So you can name your file whatever you want, but you have to include .bat. So .bat is the extension for batch. Click on save, cross this out. So b_my_file was created. So let's create another task. So we'll just name it run batch file. So what this batch file is, it has the location of the Python file and the Python executor, and we'll just select the batch file. So the batch file has a location already, so it will be much smoother to run this. So a lot of the time, if the first approach doesn't work, you can try to create a batch file and run your program. Click on new. You can set up your time anything you want. Let's just say 12:56, 30 seconds. Click on OK. Click on action, new, and you have to select the batch file. My batch file is b_myfile. Click on OK. Click on OK. Click on OK. So this is the second approach, run batch file, and my program should run at 12:56, 30 seconds. And now we'll just wait for this program to run, and like before, we should see another, basically the same CSV file being created in this folder. So let's just wait for this program to run. As you can see, a new CSV file was just created. So it basically did what it basically replicated the first step, but it had a different way of doing it. So as you can see, just like before, name of the movies and all the data is associated with it. So you don't always have to set up a timer. Let's just say you want to just see if your program actually runs and you want to run it, you can just click on run. You don't have to set up a specific time, and we should see a CSV file in this folder within a couple of seconds. You see, it just created the file at 12:57. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.